Okay, on this episode of Clever Clips, we're going to talk about the UTC. The UTC is the Uptight Clip. Now this Uptight Clip has some very nice characteristics that you can use. You'll see an open channel on this side and a couple of teeth down here. The bottom teeth, one of those is bent out. We'll show you an up close of that in a little bit. Now the way that the Uptight clips is it works in conjunction with cold roll channel. And it would go on the solid side of the cold roll channel and would slide right over this, and then you would run a self-tappers or a couple self-tappers into this and lock this into place. So let's see what that would look like. I've already mounted this on a Uptight clip. So this would sit in there just like this, and you would have your grid, your mains coming across here and attaching to this. You would use a set of lineman pliers and bend that tab over, and now it's grabbing that positively. Also, the Uptight clip can be used with wood framing, and the way that it would work with wood framing is wood framing would come on the outside of the clip, and through these holes that are in the clip itself you can run into the wood framing and again attach the piece of grid to this. Keep in mind that the Uptight clip is part of our fast ship program, so look for this Uptight clip as a great solution for you to put either under wood joist or attaching it to cold roll channel.